Hello everybody, welcome to Shenzhen Dinghua Technology. We are a professional BGA rework station manufacturer with 7 years experience. This video is for showing our customer how to do reballing, desoldering and soldering. Now this is a graphic card. Check this graphic card. We connect with the computer, power on, no singular. So this graphic card maybe has a problem. Maybe the BGA has a problem. Now this DH-B1 has 3 heaters and resolution interface controller and the cross flow fan is for cooling the PCB board. We also give 3 years warranty for the 1 year warranty for the full machine. Our machine is very strong. Our PLC controller is Panasonic technology. Use the universal fixture to fix PCB on the supporter. Adjust the screw. Make the distance from the upper loser to the BGA is about 3 millimeters. We have already saved some profile inside the machine, and we also have some profile in the manual book. We have English, Spanish, now we are heating the BGA. We also can make this machine 110 voltage. This process might take about 3 or 4 minutes for heating the BGA. Now it's okay. Now it's okay. Use the vacuum pen to pick the BGA up. Check this BGA. The next step is for reballing. Let us clean the BGA first. We have to use paste flux, soldering boards, BGA stencil. All of those things you have to prepare it before you do the reballing. And you also need some high temperature tape for protecting the other small IC, especially for the capacitance. If the capacitance nearby the BGA, you have to use the soldering station to remove the capacitance from the PCB board, because when the temperature is higher than 100 degrees, it will break the capacitance. For the other small IC, you can use the high temperature tape, cover it and protect it from the heating. Put the flux on the BGA. Then we use the soldering station, clean this BGA. You also can use some goat wick for helping you to clean the BGA. Use the alcohol to clean the BGA. Here we use alcohol. Now we're going to clean the PCB board. It's the same step like clean the BGA. Use some paste flux, soldering station, use alcohol to clean the PCB. Now the next step is reballing. We are going to looking for the stencil. For this BGA, here we are going to use the direct heat BGA stencil, because this engineer, he has almost 7 years experience. So if you don't have good experience, maybe you have to buy a reballing kit. It will make the work more easier. We also have the reballing kit. Now we got it. Yes, the same stencil. This is the stencil for this BGA. The most important step is reballing. If you don't have good experience, we really not suggest you do it like this way, because it will take you a lot of time. With the help of reballing kit, the work will be more easier. Use some alcohol to clean the BGA and the stencil before we do the reballing. Before we do it, we have to put some small flukes on the BGA. Just a little. Now align the stencil with the BGA. Okay, now soldering boards. You should be very careful when you are doing this. Okay, now we are going to take the stencil out. Check the BGA boards. The next step is to melting the soldering boards on the BGA. This is DH-B1. The left panel is heating panel. The right panel is cooling panel. Now we put the BGA on the cooling panel. Then we are going to set the temperature. Here we set it to about 240 degrees. We are waiting for the temperature goes up to 240. Now it's about 67, 68. Make it 240, the temperature. It will cost about 2 minutes for the temperature goes up to 240. Now it's 232. Okay, now temperature. Move the BGA to the heating panel. Now because the temperature is about 240, so here it will take just about when the soldering board is melting, move it to the cooling panel. When the soldering board is melting, after about 5 seconds, move it to the cooling panel. It will take about 5 minutes for cooling. Okay, now we are going to soldering this BGA back to the PCB board. Set the temperature and the profile. We can use the same desoldering profile. Put some flux on the PCB. Now, fix the PCB on the supporter. Here you should be very careful. Make sure the BGA align with the PCB very good. It has some mark line there. Now it's okay. The next step is heating. Our machine's quality is really good. We use Japan circuit. The other products, maybe it can fail. If the work fail, you have to buy another PCB board and another BGA. So the quality for the machine is really important. That's why many customers use our machine. The success rate of our machine is more than 95%. Now heating finished. Now heating finished. Check the BGA. The next step is to testing the PCB. Now let us cooling this graphic card about 5 or 8 minutes. Before you put the graphic card back to computer, you can test it with a meter. Look at our machine. It's really smart. Now we are going to test the graphic card. Contact with the monitor, power on. Yes, it's working. Perfect, perfect. Great. Yeah, thanks for this engineer. He's really doing great. But for our customer, don't worry. With our help, you also can be a very professional engineer for BGA reballing. Okay, everyone, thanks for your watching. You are warmly welcomed to contact with us. Yeah, it's perfect. Great.